Small Android phones are making an exciting comeback in 2026, and the Ikko Mind 1 is emerging as one of the most promising entries in this niche. While the smartphone market has been dominated by ever larger displays and heavier devices, the Mind 1 goes against the grain by offering a truly compact design that fits comfortably in the hand and slips easily into pockets, making it perfect for users who value mobility and one-handed usability. Despite its smaller size, the phone doesn't compromise on performance. It is rumored to feature a powerful Snapdragon processor, sufficient RAM, and optimized storage, ensuring smooth multitasking, fast app launches, and even casual gaming without lag. The AMOLED display delivers sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and adequate brightness for outdoor usage, proving that a small form factor doesn't have to mean a subpar viewing experience. Photography and videography are also taken seriously on the Ikko Mind 1, with a decent multi-lens camera system capable of capturing detailed photos, solid low-light performance, and crisp video recording. Battery life, while naturally limited by the smaller chassis, is reported to be well optimized, allowing a full day of typical usage without constant recharging. The clean, near-stock Android interface further enhances the experience, making the device feel fast, intuitive, and free of bloatware. Early reviews praise the Mind 1 not only for its portability, but also for proving that compact smartphones can still deliver a premium experience in 2026. For anyone tired of oversized phones that are cumbersome to use, the Ikko Mind 1 may be a game changer, sparking a renewed interest in the small phone category and showing that less can indeed be more.